New stuff for the winter. For little girls. 3 to 4 to 13 to 14. That's the sizes that the range goes from. So we've got a Trokkie t-shirt and a bikie. The rest is still coming, so I can't show that to you yet because it's not here. Okay, so, and the cherry on top of the chocolate cake, you know we have got the khaki jogger and we got the olive one, is the new one for the boys, but or for anyone. Girls can wear olive and khaki too. Anyway, we've got a pink one for little girls. It's got the stokie that you can tighten by the waist, and it's got lissiekies and stuffiekies and cargo pockets, and this elasticated band around your ankle, and it's pink and it's pretty. So go to the website willebes.com or go to the shopping Kempton Park or go to any shop that sells Willebes, which should be the nearest outdoor shop to you, and buy your girl or yourself, if you fit into this sizes, go buy yourself some clothes, some new winter clothes.